Back to Best Car Fixes, and thank you for following my YouTube channel. Today we have this car here, BMW 2013 or 2011. That's a nice car, so let's go together and we see if we can program or add a key. Having a key is a peace of mind. The car is running. I don't need to do anything now. I have to have internet. Where do you go here now? Did you touch something?
Yeah.
What do you touch?
I just scan the code.
No, we don't need code here. We are going to add a key. This car have a key and this is a BMW, and we try to add another key. So we're gonna go out of all this. Be sure you have internet. Internet is there. I'm gonna come here, take all these items, and we wait. So we're gonna click on Maxim 608. You must have subscription active. You don't have a subscription, you may not be able to do this. This we're gonna read the car, so we're gonna go here through IMO. On IMO, say accept, and then go by VIN number, auto detect. The car is running now, okay, now we're gonna wait a little bit. Also, I'm going to leave everything open, yeah. So this is the information, decoding the car. Okay. To know what year, 2010, 2005 series, F10. Just by say F10, everybody know that what year that, 2011, 10 to 2011. So say yes. Now in here, I will go to IMO scan. This is good to tell you the health of the car. You see now also BMW will turn the engine off most of the time. Also turn the air conditioner off for us. Here, let's go to off. All accessories. I have the charger working. I have 12.13 volt. So you see, read all the information very fast. Sorry for the background noise. People pass by behind us. Hopefully I will not get YouTube strike. Now you see here, we see say all key lost or add a key. Just go to add a key. You need a Wi-Fi. You have to read all the information. Be sure everything okay. Then you go to the next. So here, hold on. The music is there. Let me stop it. I always stop the video because sometime while I'm doing the recording, a car pass behind or something that it create noise or it create a video, what they call copyright issue. Okay, now we have two steps. So click start. Start here. Okay, so now you have to have internet. And the process is going to start from 0. Close it completely. This is perform processing. So the process, if you notice it, it jumped by 5. Charging must be 13 over 13. Jump by 5. Now current speed is going to download the software. See now here is download 100% document 25. You keep going. 30%. 35, 40, for example, they'll bid on auction. We're gonna wait a little bit, sometime it stay. I'm gonna put the hazard to work because we don't need the ignition go off. Turn the light, don't let or turn the light on and off. Okay, also put your my seat belt, also put it in. You see now it's keep going. Yeah, Ahmed.
I ordered.
Okay, is that, you see it's open the ignition. We are 65%. We don't want anything sleep. Charging must be 13. This is changing the parameter. Try to prepare it so that you can program. And this is only on the bench, on the car. You see success. Now generating the key. Place a new key close to the starter induction coil. You see the key frequency is 315. So what you're gonna do, you take this key here and you come here, look here. You're gonna hold it here like this and now press OK. Because if it's not good, you see execution. Press the star for automatic activation. But just go with it like this, be careful. You're gonna hear it. 90% there. Key learn successful. Place the key close to the induction coil and press the ignition for 10 seconds. طيب نقول اوكي. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Okay. Escape now. Now I'm gonna come here. Lock. Unlock. We're gonna take this key. Take both of them. Put them here. Outside here. Let me see. Turn the key off. See nothing. You see there is a sign. Remote control. No start. Nothing there. So I'm gonna open the door. Take this one. Now it's frequency. Ignition on. Start the car. If there is the same key, there is one with like 440 or 430 frequency, and there is one is 315. The same one here, it can be programmed, but one of them, it will not start the car unless you have to put it here. The frequency are different. So the chip is the same, but the frequency are different. This one here is running, it's fine now. You see? Everything is good. And the key is programmed. We are very happy. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.